Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And yeah, we've had a prezzie. And this one I've been waiting for a wee while because it was sent to a friend of mine. But it is from R.W.Hobbies. A good friend of mine, Richie, has sent me over, folks. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, look at that. Let's have a looky-loo, eh? Now this is the Ford 100 or the Ford FD 100 pickup. And Miguel over at Devil Games is doing a buddy build, so I need to speak to Miguel to find out when it's actually going and see what's happening with it. But if it's already started and I've missed it, then what I'll do is I will do this as a complete video build-up series. So I'll contact Miguel and find out what's happening, because Mike's doing his own thing now, so I'm kind of not sure whether or not we're still doing the buddy build or not with it, with Miguel. So we'll have a look and see what's happening. But if not, I've got a cunning plan for this one, so keep an eye out. So many thanks, Richie. Muchly appreciated, mate. A lovely gesture. So have a look out for this one, folks, because this will be starting. Obviously, if Miguel's buddy build's already happened, then I'll do this as a video build in the new year, mate. But thank you very much, mate, for sending me that. It's massively appreciated. And yeah, look out for it soon on the channel, buddy. But let's have a looky-loo inside the box at what we've got. We got the glass there. We got all the chromage. Oh yeah, some sexy looking tyres. The body of the pickup itself. And the rear section, and then obviously all the different panels, seats and everything, and a goodly set of destructions inside. And this was done by Chip Fose, ex-Boyd Coddington mechanic, and went on to open up his own shop, bless him. And yeah, so look at that. There's nothing beats a good old pickup truck. There's all the engine details, chassis, so I can imagine a lot of pipage and all of that lot will go on this. All the HT leads, etc. So yeah, I've got a cunning idea. I'm not sure whether it'll work or not, but I'll need to give it a bit of thought. But there was a custom one of these built in real life, and I can remember seeing it on one of the Discovery channels, so I might have a go at doing that, so we'll see. That is the Revell Ford FD 100 pickup, kindly sent by Richie over at R.W.Hobbies. And yeah, look, nice bit of wood panel in there. Very sexy. Have you some of that? You are a star, mate. Many thanks for that. Let's get the lid on there properly. Yeah, cue the brum noises, and it looks like it's been slammed down nice and low and all. Yeah, I feel a shiny coming on. Rightio then, peeps. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you soon for the build up of this bad boy. Catch you later, folks. Bye.